Hello? Piece of rubbish. Oh, hello there. I didn't see you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another exciting installment of Lumberjack Can Fix It. I'm your host, Lumberjack. If you, or somebody you know, is dealing with the Sprint HuaWei telephone, the technological travesty that it is, you'll know that there are many DIY videos on how to repair this phone. And today we're going to be going over some of my favorite preferred methods. For instance, the shotgun method. Now this method may not be as practical for you as it is for me, so instead what we're going to be using is axe repair. Observe. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you fix a Sprint HuaWei telephone. So until next time, just remember, if it's broken, Lumberjack can fix it.